Hello, today you're looking at a plating electronic 10,000 amp 15 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. It's been tested and checked out, great working condition. Does have less than 1% ripple, fully programmable with digital controls, ramp controls, is filtered. Overall dimensions 32 inches length, 32 inches width, 88 inches high. This is 1,200 pounds, 3-phase, and wired for 460. As you can see, the controls right here. We'll get that going for you right now. Show you guys the O-scope. Great working unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.